the camera.
That black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic, magic, black yo magic, that black yo magic.
Hi guys, welcome to my, oh, can you even see my hands when I do that? Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Samaya and I'm back again with another video. So I'm super excited today because today I'm going to be unboxing my new camera, and I've been waiting so long to be able to record, but I just haven't had time. So my camera has been sitting in a box and I've just been staring at it like I'm so ready to open it. Plus it was expensive. So now I'm poor, but you know, it's okay because this camera was well worth it. And well, let's just get straight into the video. So let's open this first thing here, and both of the things that I got were from Amazon Prime. So in the description box below, I'll definitely leave the affiliate link so you guys can know where I got these products, and in case you guys want to get a camera, because I'm sure if you're watching, either you're one of my friends or just you love supporting my channel, or you're actually looking to see, you know, if you should buy this camera. So oh, see, that took a second, but you know, I managed. So this right here is just the screen protector that I got for the camera, so I will put that on as soon as I open the camera up. Okay, so then there's this box that actually has my camera, so yeah, let's just open her up.
Open, can you see? Okay, you guys can kind of see. Let me just try to raise it a little bit. Open its feet right up and just boom.
This is the way.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Okay, the other side was a lot easier. Okay, so, oh Jesus. Okay, that was the, did I break a nail? Okay, I didn't break a nail. Oh, there's another box inside the freaking box. Okay. Why'd they put the box inside of another box? It's just rude. Okay. But, you know, okay, that was low-key a workout and I was struggling. Need to exercise more, but, So this is kind of what it looks like inside, and the packing peanuts are kind of like moving around here, so, oh my god, I can't breathe. Okay, so this is what I got. I got the Canon PowerShot G7x Mark II.
So we're just gonna set that aside. Oh my god. Oh, it smells weird. Okay. Oh, that smell is just, it's not pleasant. It's like, I don't even know how to describe that smell.
Oh, this is the tripod that comes with it, which is nice. So now I have two, which I can also use this when I want to take pictures instead of always having to use the one that's on my camera now. So that's nice. Okay, so yeah, this is a cleaning kit that comes with it as well. Oh, this is actually really nice because I could definitely use this to clean my other DSLR, but this is just like a dust blower, and a lot of this stuff is so nice because now I have stuff to clean both cameras. And this is just another SD card. I might get another one because this one's only 32 and I might need more than that, but I kind of need some more anyway for my other camera as well. Oh, this is a rechargeable battery, so you have multiple. Oh, it's like so tiny. Oh my god, I feel legit like an actual YouTuber or whatever. Oh my god. Oh, and it like can clip to stuff. Oh, it's kind of stiff, you know, and it like, oh, okay, it's like, bro, this low-key takes the muscles, cause like, what? Okay, I can use this for a lot of stuff, and it'll be nice, so like when I vlog, I can look legit and whatnot, and just be recording like, hi guys, welcome to my, oh my god. Ew, this is so cringy. This is another strap for the camera so I can like have it on me. But some of this stuff I didn't even realize was in here when I bought it because there was like a big, because it was like a kit or whatever. Oh, this is like, so if you don't have the SD card reader that I have, which, where is it? I don't feel like looking for it. But if you don't have an SD card reader, then you can just take this and you plug it straight into your camera if it doesn't have one already. But I think my laptop actually does have an SD card reader installed in it already. Is this an HDMI? I I totally needed this. Oh my god. Oh my god. So now I can actually use my camera as a monitor instead of just guesstimating if my camera is focused or not. Or is this the charger? It might be the charger. Well, what is this? I'm confused. What is this? I have no idea what this is. This is the bag so I can tote everything around everywhere. But everything's very small, which is nice because it's like very portable. Oh, so there's the strap to this. But half of this stuff I literally have no idea what it goes to. So we're gonna have to figure that out. This is so cute. Look how pretty it is. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ah! Look at this. Look at this. Does it flip? Okay, let's see. This is so cute. Oh my god. Okay. Wait, because it also does this. Oh, okay. So like I was trying to figure that out the other day. It looks so weird. So it only flips up. But this will be so nice. And it's so freaking really so cute. Look how glossy and shiny and pretty this is. But I'll probably get makeup all over it like I did my other camera. But you know, besides the point, irrelevant. Okay, what is this stuff? So I'm thinking if this is the charger? Let me put this right here. But okay, so this is the charger, I'm guessing. Well, where's the other piece? I'm so confuzzled. What is going on? Right, because this is like my other charger. Yeah, so this has to be for the charger because this goes into that. So the other thing, does that not go in like that? I thought this would be like a lot more productive than it is. And so, oh, this is like a weird, what? What? Why is this so big? Does this plug into something else? Because how the heck am I supposed to, what freaking outlet looks like this? I'm so confused. Okay, I'm back. So 27 hours later, I figured out what it was for. Don't know what this is for because this will literally not plug into anything. Like, that's why I was looking at it like, what is this? But luckily the extra cords that were in there actually plugs into the outlet because, you know, that was about to be chaotic. So yeah, so I'm gonna try plugging this in so I can start charging it because apparently it didn't come charged. When I purchased my other camera, like the battery was already charged fully. So, you know, yeah, so at least you know that like when you get this kit, it's not that bad, but I don't, it's like an extra piece. I don't know, maybe I'll figure it out later. So I'm about to plug this into the outlet, so I'll be right back when this is done charging. So I'm back and I let it charge enough. It's not charged all the way, no. Okay, so opens like that. The charger in or not. Okay. And SD card. Why do they hate me? Like, I have nails, so I literally cannot access the freaking thing. Got it. If it wants to turn on. Oh, this is what it's looking like right now. Oh, it's recording now? Hopefully it's recording now. Oh my god, but it looks really clear. Is it focused? How good is it at focusing? Are you gonna focus? It's not focusing. Why is it not focusing? So you have to touch it for it to, okay. A little too focused. But this is nice. It does focus on its own, but when I zoom in, what's something I can focus on? Jesus. So focus on, okay, so it does autofocus pretty well. Let's see how it looks when I turn my lights off, which now my camera quality on this camera is about to get really bad, so let's try to see. So it's still doing really well with focusing. Okay, let's put it to the test. Okay. Turn that one off. still good. Oh, sis. It is dark. When I say it is dark in here, oh my god, this is so good. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god. Oh my god, this looks literally so good. Like, literally you can see on this camera compared to this one how dark it is, and oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, let me see what it's like putting it with the, this is so nice, oh my god. But on this camera you can tell how yellow my lighting is here, but I like how good the autofocus is, but this is just so freaking lit. Loving this. Like, look how good the quality is with this camera. I'm low-key feeling this like a lot more than my DSLR, but I don't know, just because it's a lot easier to use and it's a lot like beginner friendly. So if you're starting a channel, this is definitely going to be something you're going to want to get, because ow. Okay, so the one thing I don't like is that the camera, like the record button, is on the back, and with me having nails, it just makes it a little more difficult to manage. Let's see what this Jesus, why am I always choking in my videos? But let's see what's inside of this. Okay, so that's nice that it comes with like several screen protectors, unlike my phone where it just comes with one, which I need to get a new phone case, but I just haven't found one that I like for my phone. But my phone case that I have now is so raggedy and ratchet, like it's literally unacceptable. First, let's put this on. Y'all won't be able to see me doing this. Okay, so as for the screen protector, it came in separate packaging, and so that's why it was like that. So I will have the affiliate link for that as well, so you guys can pick it up if that's what you want to get. But I really like this new camera. I was a little nervous when I first got it because I was like, oh my sweet honey Jesus, what if like things go horribly wrong and I can't fix it or whatever. So I don't know, but all I know is I really like this camera. Okay, this is definitely satisfactory. Oh my god, look at that. But I left a bubble. Hold on. Oh, I should test it outside. I'll be right back. So I'm stepping outside to see what it looks like out here, and I'm definitely barefoot and it's cold, but let's see. The lighting out here is really bad compared to what was in my room. But I really like it. Oh my god. But this is nice. This is definitely nice. Oh my god. Okay guys, so we've made it to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I love every single last one of you who watches my videos. Before we go, make sure you did those 4 important things. Make sure you like this video, hit the subscription button, the notification bar, and share this with somebody you think would enjoy this video. And just thanks again, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!
Oh, trying to grab a bit of that black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic.